Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to enable a disabled Discord account. So the first thing we have to do is determine why your account has been disabled. If you yourself have disabled the account, then the enabling process is very simple. All we have to do is open up the Discord app and then enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, click on login. And as you can see, it says account disabled. You cannot use it while it's disabled. To activate it, all you have to click on is this restore account button found on the bottom. Click on that. And there you have it. Your account has been enabled. So this works if your account has been disabled by yourself or another person. If Discord themselves have disabled your account, then you need to submit a request. To do that, what you need to do is open up a browser. I'm going to choose Chrome and go to Discord on the address bar. Open up the Discord website, and on the website you'll see an option that says support, and then on the bottom you'll see an option that says submit a request. Click on submit a request. So this is the Discord support website. So to utilize it, you need to first register. To register, click on the sign in button on the top right corner. Then click on the option that says new to Discord support and click on sign up. And here input your name and email. Once you've inputted your email address, an email will be sent to your account to activate the account. Click on activate account on the email you received. So once you've activated on your email, and you'll be asked to input a password. So input a password you want. Once you're done, click on create password. So once you've created an account, you can click on submit a request, and a bar will appear asking you what can we help you with. So you'll click on the drop down and select the option that says appeals and age update request. So on the next, this will open up a list of drop downs. So on the first one, which you'll click on how can we help, you'll click on appeal and action taken on my account or bot. And another question will ask you what would you like to appeal. On this option, you'll say an action taken on my account because Discord has disabled it. And then you'll enter a subject. That is, for in this case, my account has been disabled. And after doing that, you'll write a description of why your account has been disabled. You can write the reasoning for it and why it shouldn't be disabled over here on the description page. And lastly, you can attach anything, files, pictures, or anything that supports your case. And then finally, click on submit. So after doing all that, all you have to do is wait for an email so that Discord can respond and hopefully enable your account. So these are the methods to enable a disabled account on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.